Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Win32 long paths in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now we will go to this path here, which is HKey local machine, system, current control set, control file system. Now there should be a dword 32-bit entry in the right pane named long paths enabled. Okay, so we'll search for that because this list is supposed to be in alphabetical order. Okay, here's the entry. Now it says 0, which means it is disabled. If you wish to enable them, then simply change the value to 1 and hit enter. I'll explain this actually. Now here's what happens. So for registry editor entries, these dword 32-bit entries, now it says long paths enabled. It is a very easy what do we say, clause to understand. Long paths enabled. If this policy is enabled, it means that the value data is 1. It means that long paths will be enabled, and if it is 0, it simply means that this policy is disabled, so long paths will be disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.